go in. We're gonna go across.
Come on.
You guys ready? Yeah. I'm ready. Hey, firm, Bravo is ready. Over.
What's up YouTube, it's Badger back with another Airsoft video. This time I was at an Airsoft event hosted by the Airsoft Organization of South Carolina, also known as AOSC. This game was located at Paintball Central in Welford, South Carolina. I am equipped with a Soft Air Scar L with a hollow sight, PEC 15, vertical grip, flash hider, and my scope camera. My secondary was a KWC CO2 powered Glock 17, and lastly, a Thunder Bee sound flash grenade. Our objective this game was to locate a key in order to unlock a box. The key was located inside a building near the enemy spawn. A large portion of my team pushed forward in an assault, so I remained in the rear to guard our structure, just in case we were pushed back. Eventually, after they gained enough ground, I pushed forward and assisted with the main assault. Thanks for tuning in. Hope you enjoy.
I heard Kelly.
3,
Double K's out here.
1, game on! One structure, 12 o'clock in front of Wait, can I use the auto on it?
Do you have a, what MED do you have? Huh? What MED?
0 foot.
Yeah, you can use auto.
That goes with imitating.
eyes on anything?
Yeah.
You got buddy up there?
There's a lot of movement on the right side, 1 o'clock.
You got down, probably need to get him up.
They're pushing in that middle area.
I'm gonna go try to medic these boys.
I got you. Eh.
Okay, that's it for this video. We were eventually pushed back, but held
You're
off at
good.
our structure until the game was called. Thanks for watching. Like this video and share to support my channel. I'll see you next time. Badger out.